My grandfather started Texas Nameplate in 1946. He served in World War II in the Navy, and upon the completion of the war, came back around the Dallas area and started Texas Nameplate. My name is Dan Crownover. I'm the president here at Texas Nameplate. Prior to coming to Texas Nameplate, I worked at some different businesses. 2017, Dale, my father, gave me the opportunity to come to work here. Been here ever since, and don't plan on going anywhere. We manufacture metal nameplates, predominantly stainless steel, aluminum, and brass. We do screen printing and chemical etching. In addition to metal nameplates, we also do flexible printings, vinyl decals, stickers, things like that. My brother and I, Ryan, we were traveling to see another company that makes somewhat similar parts. We were going through their facility on a quick tour, and we're looking around, and out of the corner of our eye, walking by, we saw this piece of equipment. And we were with the CEO at the time. He's kind of showing us around, and we say, hey, what is that over there? And he said, oh, that's our Zünd. And he said, best piece of equipment that we have in this facility. And they're 4 times the size of us. And we're like, hey, well, can we go check it out? And so we walked over there, we're looking at the Zünd, and I asked him, why is it one of the best pieces of equipment you have? He said, well, it's 20 years old, it runs all the time. If we ever have any issues with it, manufacturer is on it. It's been so versatile for us and dependable. Really, it was about on the plane ride home is when my brother and I started looking at the Zünds. Priorities, number 1 is, will it do the job that we need it to do? How much versatility does this machine have? The different things that it can do, not only can it meet these 1 or 2 demands that we have right now, but also can it open up other doors for us, how to change processes or look at different types of goods that we can produce and things like that. So the versatility of a machine is very important for us. At the time when we purchased the Zünd, I didn't really recognize how many challenges that we were faced with until we bought the Zünd. And it just made life so much easier. Very quickly, overnight, it took care of all of our capacity, lead time issues that we were having previously before having the Zünd. And then in terms of quality, the precision of the Zünd, how well it cuts through different types of materials, we have never had an issue with quality off the Zünd. Most machinery that you buy, once you write the PO, that's exactly what you're getting. You can't come in and add any type of new features to the machine. That's not the case with the Zünd. If you want to go add, a routing bit or things like this, it's something that can easily be attached after you receive the machine. We are a made-to-order type of facility, so we're getting orders in that might have a 5 to 10 day lead time. We are true to that. We want to be on time for our customers, so in the event some type of piece of equipment goes down for whatever reason, we want to make sure that it can be serviced in a quick time manner, and Zünd for sure fulfills that for us. No matter where you work, manufacture, things like that, you will use, resources. Can you make a point of emphasis to either use as little resources as possible, or can you reuse a lot of these resources? That goes back directly to environmental, stewardship, is that you may get a job pre-Zünd that might have been 50 sheets of material because of the yield loss. But now with the Zünd and the size of the sheet that we're able to run, it may be only 35 sheets. So there, we're saving 15 sheets of material. That's 15 less sheets we have to print. That's 15 less sheets that we have to pull from inventory, and things like that add up. And so when you get pieces of equipment in here that help you with not only your quality, your lead times and things like that, but ones that are versatile but also can fit your processes, it'll help you reduce the material that you use, which in return, it'll also save you and your customers significant financial aspects as well. So the Zünd has played, a pretty big impact from an environmental standpoint.